Hi, I'm Shannon with Direct Carpet. Today we're going to show you how to put in a fast, quick, easy stair runner. Stick around. So first we're going to take our roll of carpet. I've got this already pre-cut down to size that'll fit this landing and these two stairs. I've got the edges sewn. That's how this carpet comes. We're going to roll this out. We're going to roll this up so we can work with this and it not be in our way. We're going to take our staple gun, our electric staple gun. We're going to center this. We're going to measure over from this side. I've got 7 1/4 there and 7 1/4 there. We're going to make sure that we're off the back as far as we want. We're at 3 inches there and we're at 3 inches there. Now we're not using underpad on this today. This is the easiest, simplest way that you can put in a carpet runner. And if you want underpad, we'll show you in another video how to do that. So we've got that lined up. We're gonna flip our tab here. We're gonna wiggle our staple gun into the pile and we're gonna put one staple. By wiggling that staple, the point of the staple gun into the carpet, you eliminate the staple mark. We're just gonna measure that again. We're at 7. We're at 7 here. So we're gonna put 1 here. And how we like to do it is we like to put a staple every inch. Every inch or two, wiggle, and right between the binding and the carpet. You might need more if you put underpad, but without underpad, you just need a few to hold it into place. Don't worry. That will do the job. And now you want to do this all the way around. We're going to flip that little tab there. We're going to wiggle it just a little bit. And then we're going to do that all the way down. No underpad every 2 inches, underpad every inch. We're going to do it all along this side. Every 2 inches, every 3 inches with underpad. Okay, landing is done. Now this is the simplest way to put in a carpet runner without a lot of tools. Obviously you need a staple gun like we have here. And we're just gonna roll this down backwards and we're gonna fold this under the nose. And what I like to do is I like to squeeze it a little bit and form that so that the staples don't pop out underneath the nose. I like to take my tucker and I like to groove it underneath to get a nice straight line. The more you groove it, the nicer it looks. So then underneath, we're going to put a staple every inch. Run our finger underneath, make sure there's nothing poking out. Take the edge or the tip of our stair tool or tucker, and we're going to score this along. Now the links in the video will show you where to get these tools. You can rent them, you can buy them off of Amazon. Okay, so now that we've got this first one done, we're going to go down to our riser and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to score it with the tip of our stair tool or carpet tucker. Then we're going to take our electric staple gun, pop one in the end, and work our way down every 2 inches on this one. The top we're doing 1 inch, staple every 1 inch. On the bottom of the riser we're doing every 2 inch. Now to get that groove really nice, you can take your tucker and groove it like this. What I like to do is I like to take my hammer and my tucker and I like to really get that line nice and straight. Makes it look so nice, so professional. That one is done, landing is done, riser is done. We're working our way down and over, and now we're about to do the next stair. So what we like to do is we'll fold this over the nose a little bit so we know where it is. We lift it up, and then we squeeze this together. And that kind of helps just get the form going on. We take our stair tool, we give it a little jabs up underneath, and then we score it underneath like this. And what this does is it just helps make it look nice And then also when you pop the staples in, they don't pull out on you as much. Now we're gonna put a staple in every inch underneath this nose. On a 40